Hey, you, welcome back. It's Jody. New haircuts. Yay. Let me know how it is looking in the comments. Okay. Navan Sandhu. Everyone got very excited when I covered him already. Divane, I really like that song. I've been listening to it a lot. And this was the most highly requested song in the comments. Levels and graphs. ठीक है, very nice. It is it says 6 months old, but November. हाँ, ठीक है, 6-7 months. J.B. Singh. Okay, Navan Sandhu presenting the official video of Levels and Graphs written and composed by Navan Sandhu and music given by J.B. Singh. Video by Goat Vision. Okay then. Singer, lyrics, composer Navan, music J.B. Singh. And that's it in the... Guys, I will need translation. So let's listen to it first. Okay, 1, 2, 3, play. Oh, nice shot. Is that AI? Oh. They should have called the song Rakane only. I'm just saying. I'm just saying, guys. Okay, so I have to say that I loved the beat. I loved his flow on it, and it was just so um yeah, it didn't let up, no? It didn't give you any time to relax or to breathe. You're just like in it and you're listening to every word. I was trying to catch every word and meaning and all of that. Obviously, it's not easy for me because of language problem, but I think I got the gist of most of what he was saying. यहाँ पे I'm just quickly looking up the English translation so that we can, yeah, cool. We have it. We have it. Vibes were immaculate for sure. I just didn't understand why we have to have five women drooling on top of us. Like their faces were literally here, here. And like there's one woman right here next to the producer, I think. So I don't understand this whole placing women in the frame as objects is just I'm very very over that aesthetic. So I think everyone needs to get over it. I will just say that every time I see a video like this. So जब वो सब section खत्म हुआ तब थोड़ा video में मुझे interest आया because I was like okay this panther and all this is nice AI, but I think the main mudda is what he's saying, you know. So let's get to the lyrics. नी अस्सी लेवल ग्राफ सब चुकते रकाने ते तू दरिया निगाहां मेरे गुटते रकाने जाल हुस्ना दा सुट don't laugh if I mispronounce, okay, just bear with me. जाल हुस्ना दा सुट किसे हाण दे मुंडे ते अस्सी आशिकी दे तबले टेबला तो उठ गए रकाने. All this I understood. We've lifted our level graph all the way up, and you keep your eyes fixed on my wrist, girl. You've cast your web of beauty on some other guy. We've now risen up from the tables of love. I got this. Mm, okay, and then the same thing repeats. चल मन्या तू हो गई है जवां साल बाई दी नी डाइट तेनू रोज कैलोरी भी फिक्की चाहिदी नी. This is why all the girls were in that part. Jim जान लगिया शकीने नईयों लाई दी. Um, शेकी ने नहीं लाई दी बट डोंट इवन टेक योर प्रोटीन शेक ओके ते अस्सी भी सवेरे आ स्मूदी नाल खाई दी. आई डू इन द अर्ली टेक माय स्मूदी फॉर माय ओन सेक. अरे यार ये कुछ ज्यादा ही नहीं स्पेसिफिक हो गए. 22 is very young man. Okay, matha take वेप लावा डब दुब नाल रकाने keep my weapon close beside me. छाया कलयुग वड गए ने शक दे पैमाने. ओके कलयुग आया और शक के पैमाने. ओके किथे टुटा डांडा ते किथे जुड़ा यारा ने. Some bonds break upon the teeth, some friendships stitch back tight. लोक वड्या तो होला नी वंग जो बगाने. People fear empty promises like strangers dressed as light. नी वंग जो बगाने बेगाने. Okay. चल सानू की किसे नाल साडी शिप आ लहरा ते. Okay. My ship sails its own wave. Okay. नीनी कोर नवे एलवी दे. We had to drop a designer label brand name like just you nobody cares. Tim a Peracho. What is Tim now? Another brand name. God only knows. God only cares. Hot topic a chobber ni apne geracho. Okay, I'm the hot topic everywhere among my own and strangers alike. Apne geracho. खुले यूरो फिरा उकदा में यूरोप शहराते. Okay, got it. ये मनी फ्लेक्स ना थोड़ा टैकी लगता है मुझे. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. It's even if it's like a vengeance thing towards your ex or something, it's still tacky. Like it's just I'm not a fan. Future da visha ame visha ni atit dani. Okay, I'm not a story of the past. Chalda brain cheti jagde nu dheet dani. Okay. I'm not a dheet about jhagde. Masla gambhir. That's a good thing. I like that. Masla gambhir bada majhe ali seat dani. It's like a seat on the land of Majha. Okay. Sanu karde puchi natu meet te greed dani. Cha. Siro show sha tappada snap te tweet dani. Okay, nice. I rise above all this. Sanu pata hunda hai threat ja stead dani. Already censored and stand firm on my feet. ਇੱਥੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਪੁੱਛੀ ਨਾ ਤੂੰ ਚੀਟ ਤੇ ਗਰੀੜਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ. ਪੁੱਛਣਾ ਤਾਂ ਪੁੱਛੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਆਂਟੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਚੀੜਦਾ ਨਹੀਂ. ਆਂਟੀਆਂ. Okay. How I tear through my rivals. Okay. ਬੰਡਲਾਂ ਚ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਅਖਬਾਰ ਸ਼ੌਪ ਕੇ ਨੀ. We don't buy them one by one. Newspapers arrive in bundles, okay? रख दइए उड़ा के इन्नू धौन तक नाप के नहीं. We measure then toss them aside like the job is already done, okay? ਅਸੀਂ ਵੱਡੇ ਘਰਾਂ ਵਾਲੇ ਨਾਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਰੱਖਦੇ ਨੀ. We don't keep ties with the rich just for name or show. Okay, that's very good. Mama boy ਮਹਿੰਦਿਆਂ ਚ ਤੜ ਨਹੀਂ ਰੱਖਦੇ ਨੀ. And mama's boys in mehfils, we don't let them grow. I don't get this translation. What? Mama boy ਮਹਿੰਦਿਆਂ ਚ ਤੜ ਨਹੀਂ ਰੱਖਦੇ ਨੀ. Mama's boys what? We don't let them grow. Yeah, please. Mama's boys are a cancel. ਪਰਖਾਂ ਤੇ ਤਰਕਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਬੰਦੇ flood. Through tests and arguments, some people flood the scene. ਜਿਹੜੇ ਦਿਖਦੇ ਆ ਲੱਖ ਪਰ ਅੰਦਰ ਤੋਂ ਤਾਂ ਕੱਖ ਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ, okay? ਸਾਡੇ ਆਲੇ ਜੋਟੇ ਬੀਬਾ ਕੁਰਤੇ ਚ ਜੱਚਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ. Our kind girl stands strong even in simple kurta. ਧੰਨ ਬਾਬਾ ਬੁੱਢਾ blessed by Baba Buddha, okay? ਜੜੋ ਪੈਰ ਮੂੰਹ ਤੇ ਰੱਖਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ. Okay. ਟੈਨਸ਼ਨ ਨਵਾਂ ਸਭ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਆ ਖੱਚਾ ਨੂਨੀ. ਖਾਚਾ ਨੂਨੀ ਵੱਡੇ ਮਸ਼ਹੂਰ ਨੇ ਜੋ. Famous ones you see around, watch only from your end. Pit utte nakka nooni. Okay. Here I really like the flow of it. Kadne chalone mein bhi 10 hoye a hatha nooni. I've been taught to strike as well. My hands know what to do. Okay. Sikh regimenta wang. Raised like the Sikh regiment. Vadde hoye a lanka nooni. Okay. Jang vele sochde ne life ਦੇ ਪ੍ਰਾਈਸ ਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਛਿੜੇ ਜੇ ਕੋਈ ਛਿੜਦੇ ਆ famous या फिदे हुनूनी. If someone dares to challenge answer, fame or refuse. सुन के खड़ के कान गिज गया highs नूनी. I've grown used to the highs. गल कर एक तू ले आंदा तेरी dice नूनी. Nice. I like that. Bar. ਜਦੋਂ floor switch करा. Beat ਨਾਲ ditch करा. This was the slow bit in the middle. Now I like that section. ਉਦੋਂ pitch same ਰੱਖਾਂ full vibe rich ਕਰਾਂ. I got it. I like this part. Rich ਕਰਾਂ ਨਾ ਰਾਜ਼ੀ ਬਾਜ਼ੀ ਰੱਖਾਂ ਜੇ ਮਾਹੌਲ ਲਿਟ ਕਰਾਂ ਕਿਹੜੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਕੜੇ ਕਟਾ. Okay. ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਅੱਖਾਂ 'ਚ ਪਿਆਰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਪੜਨਾ ਨਾ ਆਵੇ ਕੁੜੀ ਨੀਰੀ ਸੈਲਾਬ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਤਰਨਾ ਨਾ ਆਵੇ. ਓਹੋ. Okay. ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਕਹਿਦਾ ਫਤਿਹ ਕਰਨਾ ਮੈਦਾਨ ਨਾਲ ਤੂੰ ਰਾਜ਼ੀ ਉਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਤੋਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਹਾਰਨਾ ਨਾ ਆਵੇ. ਓਹੋ. ਓਹੋ. Bar is bad. ਮੈਂ ਚੁੱਪ ਰਹਿ ਕੇ ਮਾਰਾਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੜਨਾ ਨਾ ਆਵੇ ਤਾਂ ਹੀ ਅੱਲਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕਾਫਰਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਖੜਨਾ ਨਾ ਆਵੇ. Okay, I don't like that word, but ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. ਹੂ ਗਮਾ ਵਾਲਾ ਵੱਡਾ ਸੌਖ ਭਰਨਾ ਨਾ ਆਵੇ. I don't know how to fill the well of sorrow. Okay. ਟੌਂਟ ਮਾਰ ਜੇ ਕੋਈ ਗੈਰ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜੜਨਾ ਨਾ ਆਵੇ. Okay. Kit well scheme elegance. Well dressed scheme ਕਿ well scheme elegance ਲਾਉਣ ਪਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ ਕਾਲੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਨਿਭਾਉਣ ਤੇ ਵਿਹਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਨਹੀਂ. No hurry to commit or marry we're calm we're intact. Okay. ਤੈਨੂੰ ਬੜੀ ਚੁੱਲ ਮੱਛੀ social ਤੇ ਆਉਣ ਦੀ ਨਹੀਂ. Rich baby daddy ਲੱਭ go find a rich baby daddy ਹਵਾ ਜੀ ਕਰਾਉਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ. Okay. That's a bit thing. Not all women are looking for rich baby daddies. I don't know. ਸਾਨੂੰ ਮਾਤਾ ਭੁੱਲਦੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਤਾਕੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਸੂਟਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ. ਸਾਨੂੰ ਮਾਤਾ ਭੁੱਲਦੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਤਾਕੀਆਂ ਤੇ ਸੂਟਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ. Even in her simple suit. ਹੁਣ ਵਾਰੀ ਆਈ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਦੁਨੀਆ ਦਿਖਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਨਹੀਂ. Now it's my turn to show her the world beyond those roots. ਬਾਪੂ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਕਸਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਛੱਡੀ ਕੋਈ ਸਪੋਰਟ ਵਾਲੀ. ਟਾਈਮ ਬੜਾ ਬਣਿਆ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਥੋਂ ਤੱਕ ਆਉਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ. So how did he jump from that topic to parents topic? But ठीक है. Flow में. रूह ਜਾਂਦੀ ਕੀਲ ਦਿਆ ਗਲ ਬਸ ਫੀਲ ਦਿਆ ਗੂੰਜਦੀ ਹਵਾ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਾਜ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਚੀਲ ਦਿਆ. ਨਾਈਸ. ਕਿਸੇ ਘਰ ਆਣ ਨੀਤੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਕੋਲ ਮਕਾਨ ਨੀਆ. ਓਕੇ. ਟੈਨਸ਼ਨ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਬੀਬਾ ਰਾਤ ਵਾਲੀ ਮੀਲ ਦਿਆ. ਲੈਵਲ ਗ੍ਰਾਫ ਸਭ ਚੁੱਕਤੇ ਰੱਖਾਂ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਤੂੰ ਦਰਿਆ ਨਿਗਾਹਾਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਗੁੱਟ ਤੇ ਰੱਖਾਂ ਨੇ ਜਲ ਹੁਸਨਾ ਦਾ ਸੁੱਟ ਕਿਸੇ ਹਾਣ ਦੇ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਆਸ਼ਕੀ ਦੇ ਟੇਬਲਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਉੱਠ ਕੇ ਰੱਖਾਂ ਨੇ. Bro. Oh. I liked it. I liked it. I just didn't love some sections of it. Like I don't care for some of the lines, like the brand names and the girl, you, this and that and all. But the flow, the vibe, the beat, all of that was really cool. I like his vocal texture as well. Even though there's a treatment to the voice, it doesn't sound um jarring or anything to the ear. And he's got really good schemes and flows. I'll give him that. I just didn't love the other parts of the video. I think in general, and I've said this in several other reactions, not Navan's, other artists also. I think the Punjabi music industry just needs to overall get done with the brand names, with the fancy cars, with the LV, Gucci, Prada, all that fake bullshit. Nobody cares about it. Wear what you want. Don't flash it in everyone's face. It's very tacky. Just stop doing that in your music videos. Just stop. Just stop. It's done. We're done with it. um, so that, and not just Punjabi, but just everyone in general. Um, and yeah, I like this vibe. It was very different from Divane. And y'all have now shown me two different sides of Navan Sandhu from the requests you have sent. So what else? There are so many tracks, by the way, that y'all requested after I covered Divane. Let me just quickly read them out to you. So this is the one I got to because it was the most requested. And then there is Unbothered, Dapper Dan, Dil Darde, Taz, Sprint, Akhiyan Naal Gal, Addicted, Regret, and My Prime. These are the ones I have right now on the list. So I will cover them. But let me know which one I should get to next. Or maybe I'll cover two in the next video. Who knows? Just let me know in the comments or DM me if I missed something or the translation was wrong. Please tell me that also in the comments. And please subscribe. I need to hit 200K this year. It's my personal goal. Help me reach it. So many of you who watch have not subscribed. Just help me get to my goal, guys. Just help me get to my goal, guys. It would really mean a lot. And I will be doing a lot more live streams at least every weekend, if not also in the middle of the week. And maybe we can just do a Navan Sandhu live stream where we just sit and listen to his songs. That can also happen because I'm going to have like an agenda for each one. It's like sounding too corporate, like a meeting. Agenda for this meeting. No. But कुछ प्लान करके तो आएंगे लाइव स्ट्रीम में, ऐसे नहीं बैठेंगे, है ना? तो ठीक है, let me know if you have any suggestions for my live streams, and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get notified when I go live because it's happening a lot. And I will also have artists with me in a lot of the live streams, so just get in to the inner circle and the notifications gang. Chalo, I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourselves. Live long and prosper.